Hi there and welcome to Narrow Path Journey. I'm Nicole, and in this video I'm back again with the Champion 224cc wood chipper. I've gotten a lot of questions on does it shred leaves, does it allow leaves to go through here. So today we happen to cut down a tree, some branches that needed to come down, and I've got some fresh leaves. So I thought in this video we would do some wood chipping some branches with fresh leaves so you can see the outcome of fresh leaves going through the wood chipper. So please consider subscribing, like this video, and we'll get right into it. As I mentioned, I've been getting a few comments on if leaves can go through here, and yes, leaves can go through here. What I would do is I would put just like small bits at a time through the top shoot, not so much this bottom shoot. The bottom shoot here is more for your branches, and the top shoot, even though it's bigger, this is for mostly cleanup and things that can be shredded. We can put branches through here and smaller branches, smaller cleanup, and some leaves through this top shoot. So first things first, we need to cut some of these branches down to size so that they fit the shoot better. And it's better just to get that done before you start anyways, so that you're not using up a lot of the gas and fuel while you're cutting. So All right, so now to see what we get with all those leaves. I'll lift this if you want to put it under. Yeah. Okay, let me get the camera. Okay, now as you can see, there is a lot of leaf debris. Now this is one of the reasons I do like to wait, because these leaves take up a lot of space in the bag, where if they had just been dried and crispy, it would have almost like powdered them just about. It wouldn't have taken up so much space. Not that it can't handle it, obviously. I mean, this is still fine. This is really nice to walk on, and if you did put it in a walkway fresh like this, it would just take a few days just to dry up, and give it a week or two. All this green would turn brown and whatever, and kind of just crumble into nothingness and become part of the organic soil that just kind of mixes in. So yeah, there's a knot. Yeah, that's neat. Actually, yeah, that's neat.
It's not a problem.
Not a problem. That's right. Yeah. So no, we have not sharpened the blades. I don't know if you can see it in there. No, the way it stopped, you can't see it. Last time I was able to... Oh, there, okay. I don't know if they saw that in the video, but... Okay, stop right there for a sec. Okay, now you can see the blade, I think, right? Now I'm outside, I'm looking at my phone, but I can't really tell if you can see that. No, I think so. But anyways, that is like super sharp even still. I mean, I've got kitchen knives that are maybe a little bit sharper, but I've got kitchen knives that are duller than that too. So, okay, this top part, I don't know if you can see, again, this is more for shredding. I don't want to drop my thing down in there, but I will show you. This is more for shredding, okay? It's more of like blunt force. Alright, so from that top part, this is what will go through, because it's just a shredder. It's not a chipper. All right. So that's when you get longer chunks in your wood chips. That's what the top part does. Okay. And then
from wood chips to wood strips.
Yeah, exactly. Wood chips to wood strips. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to finish the rest of that pile. I maybe not quite half. But that's because the leaves really take up a lot of the space in the bag. So, but now we know. Okay, so take these off so I can hear what I'm saying. So that's probably the most fresh leaves I have chipped through the machine, and it didn't really seem like it was a problem. I mentioned at the beginning, I have not tried like leaves that you'd rake up for the fall. If I was going to put them through the machine, it would be through the top chute, and I wouldn't do a whole bunch at once. I would just do small bits at a time. If I ever get around to it, then I'll do a video of that as well. It is the end of September, so I may end up doing that. I'm surprised to see how many ladybugs are through here. I don't know if they landed here after, if they went through the machine, but so yeah. Anyways, I'm pretty satisfied with the machine. I'm surprised there's any ladybugs in this at all, unless they landed here after. But so this I'm going to be using for there's a raised bed that I'd like to put this in, and there's also a couple pear trees that I wouldn't mind topping up some of the mulch. It's all green right now, but all the leaves will dry and crumble away, and it'll look really nice. Right, Boots? Oh, you have a bird. Oh my gosh. Boots. Boots, let go. Boots. I have no idea if that poor bird's gonna make it, but I don't think my kitty's too happy with me. I'm sorry, Boots. But I know my daughter will be happy that I saved the bird, so Sophia, that one was for you. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was informative. Like I said, a lot of these leaves filled the bag. It took a lot of space. I guess if you have to chip them right then and there, then go ahead, but I personally like to let the leaves dry on the branches before I get to chipping them. So it takes less room up in the bag, and I don't have to empty it so often. If I had let these leaves wait, I emptied the bag 3 times. I would have probably only had to have emptied it maybe just the once and a half, maybe. A lot of the leaves would have just fallen off. So it kind of tricks you a little bit. You think you've got so much, but really a lot of this is just going to crumble away into nothing. So just be mindful of that if you are going to be using this in your gardens, that a lot of this green stuff is going to settle. A lot of this fluffed up chips is going to settle down. So anyways, I'm just going to end this video. Please like and subscribe. Liking the videos helps the algorithms so it can be seen. So if you did find this informative, then please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!